Hello everyone, welcome you all to my channel College of Commerce. I am Prasannan. Today we can see the meaning of not for profit organization and how to prepare income and expenditure accounts and balance sheets. Firstly, I am going to explain the definition of not for profit organization. Not for profit organization may be defined as the organization whose activities are primarily guided by service motive rather than profit motive. ലാഭേച്ഛയില്ലാതെ സേവന തൽപരതയോടുകൂടി പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന സ്ഥാപനങ്ങളെ നോട്ട് ഫോർ പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ഓർഗനൈസേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. ദി എക്സാമ്പിൾസ് ആർ സ്കൂൾസ്, കോളേജസ്, അതർ ചാരിറ്റബിൾ ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻസ്. സ്കൂളുകളും കോളേജുകളും മറ്റ് ധർമ്മസ്ഥാപനങ്ങളും ഇതിന് ഉദാഹരണങ്ങളാണ്. ദർ ആർ സർട്ടൻ ടെക്നിക്കൽ ടേംസ് in connection with not for profit organization. Firstly, we can see what is capital item and revenue item. Capital items refer to capital receipts and capital payments which are of non-recurring nature. But revenue items refer to revenue receipts and revenue payments which are of recurring nature. Capital items should go to the balance sheet, but revenue items should go to the trading and profit and loss account. Next item, there is a slight difference between receipt and income. Receipt means actual cash received. It may be for the past, present or future period, or it may be of capital nature or revenue nature. But you can see, income means money earned, whether actually received or not for the current period. Similarly, we can see a slight difference between payment and expenditure. Actually, payment means actual cash paid. It may be for the past, present or future period, or it may be of capital nature or revenue nature. But expenditure means expenses incurred, whether actually paid or not for the current period. Another important term regarding not for profit organization is deferred revenue expenditure. All the revenue expenses are of recurring nature. There are certain expenses which are revenue in character, but the benefit which may last more than one accounting year, such expenses are called deferred revenue expenditure. For example, discount on issue of shares, underwriting commission, etc. Another term is capital expenditure. Capital expenditure is an expenditure incurred for acquiring or improving permanent assets, whether actually paid or not for the current period. Similarly, we can see revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure is an expenditure towards earning. It includes cost of maintaining assets, depreciation on assets, selling and distribution expenses, etc. All non-trading concerns are preparing mainly receipts and payments account and income and expenditure accounts. Firstly, we can see what is the meaning of receipts and payments accounts. Receipts and payments account is just like a cash book. It contains all cash transactions irrespective of the fact that whether they pertain to the past, present or future period, or whether they are of capital nature or revenue nature. All cash receipts are debited and all cash payments are credited in this account. If the receipt side is higher than the payment side, balance is treated as cash balance, and if it is vice versa, we can say it as overdraft. It is a real account in nature. Lastly, I am going to explain income and expenditure account. Actually, income and expenditure account is just like a profit and loss account. All the revenue incomes are credited and all revenue expenditures are debited in this account. If the income side is higher than the expenditure side, the balance is treated as excess of income over expenditure or surplus. And if it is vice versa, we can say it as excess of expenditure over income or deficit. It is a nominal account in nature. ഇന്നത്തെ സെഷൻ ഇവിടെ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിലിടും. പ്ലീസ് ലൈക്ക്, ഷെയർ ആൻഡ് subscribe my channel College of Commerce. Thank you.